The H225M helicopter, the most sophisticated model in the Super Puma H225M family, is now in service with the Indonesian Air Force. The first flight of this helicopter took place in November 2000. This 11-ton helicopter was thereafter registered as Eurocopter EC725 by Airbus. The French Air Force flew the H225M for the first time in combat in 2005. In 2006, France conducted military operations in Afghanistan and Lebanon using a two-engine helicopter. Almost 95% of NATO operations in Kabul involve the H225M. Currently, France, Brazil, Mexico, Malaysia, Indonesia, Kuwait, Singapore, Hungary, and Thailand operate this multi-purpose helicopter. The helicopter, measuring 16.7 meters in length, can accommodate 28 people, consisting of 2 pilots and 1 operator. The helicopter is equipped with many cutting-edge technologies, including cutting-edge avionics, composite material use, and modular construction. Additionally, it has an automatic flight control system, vehicle monitoring system, and LCD multifunction displays. The latest Turbomeca Makila 2A1 power plant, which offers optimal safety and excellent performance, is also included in the H225M. Furthermore, the H225M can go at a maximum speed of 324 km/h. It can fly for up to 4 hours and 20 minutes at 70 knots. The H225M's range of 497 nautical miles, or 909 kilometers, makes it ideal for use in search and rescue missions. To safeguard its crew and passengers, the helicopter is outfitted with bulletproof armor in addition to its engine advantage. The rotor and propeller blades of the H225M are constructed with bulletproof materials. The 4.79-meter aircraft has both laser and radar warning systems installed. To further deceive missiles, the H225M is outfitted with chaff and flare dispensers in addition to missile warning systems. It is also equipped with rockets, a 20mm cannon, and a 12.7mm machine gun. Since 2008, PT Dirgantara Indonesia, PTDI, and Airbus have collaborated on the development of the EC725 and H225M. Since 2008, the national manufacturer has been making fuselage and tailboom components for the EC725 and H225M. Air Squadron 8 Wing 4 of Atang Senjata Air Base in Bogor is now home to and operationalized for the Indonesian Air Force's 8 H225M helicopters.